Let's continue. Which container type will you use to store the monthly rainfall data for Dubai in 2019? So there are 12 months in the year. So you would have something that looks like January, 200 centimeter, February, 300 centimeter. It's monthly rainfall data, which means you're going to have a key and a value. So of course, you know that we're using a dictionary. All right. Which is the best choice to store the 10 integer values of the keys used to make a calculator app? A calculator will always have 0 to 9. It doesn't change. So we use a tuple. Which container type will you use to store the names of the students who currently attend the coding class? I did this a second time for you. It's easy. It's a list. Now, dash are comments in a program that explain what the code does. Another name for comments, annotations. Which container type will you use to store the months of the year? Jan, Feb, March, finite. It doesn't change. So we use a tuple. Dash data type's content is not set at creation and can be changed by a program directly. So only two types can be changed. It's either a dictionary or a list. So it's one of the two. Dictionary. Good. What is the coder's word for converting one data type into another? Casting. Dash is a classification of data which tells a computer how to process the data type. And okay, two more. Temporary storage of data during the execution of a computer program. Data is stored in variables. And dash is used to iterate one or more instructions for a fixed. Once it's fixed, it's a for loop. All right, got it. Okay, now let's play.
Question is used to represent blank. Option 1, dictionary. Option Question, which is the best choice to store the 10 integer values? 0. Question, blank. Data type's content is not set at creation. Question, which container type will you use to store the personal best type? Question, which container type will you use to store the name? Question, blank. Question, which is the best choice to store the full name? Question, which container type will you use to store the months of the year? Option. Question, blank. The process of making a decision. Question, blank. Question, which container type will you use to store the monthly rainfall data? Question, blank. Used to iterate one or more instructions for an. Question, is used to represent blank.